All right, what we got?
Mommy? Yeah. Tailbone sandwich.
He couldn't wait to get home to tell you he did not like that lunch. To the comments. He was waiting all day to tell you that. Really terrible. Not the, by the way, yeah, I'm home and all, but I'm not gonna let that one slide. Look, he's been holding that in since lunch. He took a bite. Wait till I get home. Emotional damage. That's all he thought about all day after lunch. We need to know what was on that Sandy. Whatever it is, she better not put in his lunch again. He said, first off, a few notes about my lunch, ma'am.
Yo, I'm not gonna lie, bro. I feel like Dunkin' Donuts is gay, bro. Cause why they gonna put 2 D's on my shit? Now I can't even open the door.
I want Dunkin' Donuts.
Now I can't even open the door cause I gotta grip the D. I gotta grip the D to open it.
Μαμ, μπορεί να μείνει η Μαρία για τη νύχτα. Σε παρακαλώ. Μόνο μη φωνάζετε.
Yes.
Μαρία, πάμε. Λοιπόν, τι θέλεις να κάνουμε? Δεν ξέρω τι θέλεις. Θέλεις να δούμε μια ταινία? Οκ. Μόνο μη κοιμάσαι. Εντάξει, εντάξει. Μαρία, κοίτα. Όπως πάντα.
What's he doing? That's it. That's it. Get your knee up. Look at him up there. Careful. Sorry. We're not going to be able to take you on the bus today.
Huh?
Some folks, they don't think it's a good idea. They just don't understand yet, but they're going to catch on, believe me. I'm sorry. Really sorry. I'll see you tomorrow, okay?
Clock winding down now. Fourth quarter. The Yellow Jackets have trailed all night last-ditch efforts fall short. Final score, Wade Hampton 14, Hannah 13.